How to choose grain conveyor system for your brewery. The transportation of malt has been used in the craft beer industry. The following is a brief description of the precautions for selection. For your reference, the conveying equipment used in craft beer is also the pipe chain conveying used in the breeding industry, but it is improved to make it meet the hygiene standards of the food industry. Bucket lift conveyor. The most common is the bucket elevator. It was made of carbon steel, with plastic buckets on the belt. It has high transport efficiency, but the disadvantage is that there is a large amount of residual material under the hopper after each use. If it is not cleaned in time, it will become moldy and deteriorate. Bucket lift conveyor is more used in large-scale brewery factory larger than 5,000 L brewhouse. Screw conveyor. There are two types of screw conveyors, shafted and shaftless, and the shaftless one is called flexible screw conveyor. Screw conveyors are generally standard configurations. The screw conveyor has been used in the small and medium-sized beer brewing industry now. It is also cost-effective. Wind conveyor. Wind conveying has always been a standard configuration in the grain processing industry, relying on the suction generated by the large fan at the end. The grain is transported to the destination along with the wind. It can realize long distance, three-dimensional and multi-angle transportation. Pipe chain conveyor. Pipe chain conveying used to be a standard configuration in the livestock and poultry breeding industry, but now it has become a high-end configuration in the craft brewing industry after improvement. It can realize long distance, three-dimensional, and multi-angle transportation to any position within 100 m.